Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about something I'm going to be doing with my dad and one thing that I created. I created a butterfly knife. I'm not going to show you how I created it because then that would just be taking it from another YouTuber. It has a blade. I made this by myself. Please don't get mad at me for the shape it is. I'm going to be reshaping it. It has a safety that works. And it closes like a normal butterfly knife. But I need to take down the blade a little bit. But I'm going to show you how to do the normal opening. It's in 4 easy steps. Watch. Throw. Hold on. Throw. Throw. Twist. Throw. Catch. Throw, twist, throw, catch. Or you can go like this. Open up your thumb. Go like this. But that is a bad way. Because look. Hold on. So, you go like this. Throw it open. Put your thumb right here. Right here. Put your fingers here. Throw back. Catch. Throw. That. Hold on, no. I have to redo that. Throw. Switch. Throw. Catch. Still. But this one has 5 easy steps because it will land like this. You have to go like this. Watch. See, it's like this. This is the back side of the blade right here. This is the front of the blade. So you have to go like throw, catch, twist, cut. This is the basic opening. There's 2 ways to make this basic. There's 2 ways to make the basic opening, but I already showed you them. So, one thing I want to talk to you guys about while I'm flipping this is my dad and I will be doing unboxing soon. It's probably going to be before or after Christmas. It's about real butterfly knives. And once I get those, I will be sure to make a video before I open them. I will open them with you guys watching me. I'm sorry I can't make a live YouTube video. The app I downloaded won't work for Android. So, thank you guys very much for watching my channel. Well, watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. But if this video gets 3 likes, I will let you guys choose any weird challenge out there that is not inappropriate or anything. Like, it can make me throw up, it can make me gag, it can make me do all that stuff, but it cannot have any blood warnings. Because if I do blood warning, then I will not post it on my video. And if I will be looking through these comments, so I would like you guys to make a comment. Oh, and thank you guys for getting me up to 18 subscribers. yeah, thank you guys so much for 18 subscribers. If I can get more by the end of next week, I will do Bean Boozled. If I go up to 25 subscribers, I will do Bean Boozled. If I get 25 subscribers. You need to get your friends to watch my channel and subscribe to me. But if I don't get it by the end of the week, I won't do Bean Boozled. I'll just drink lime juice. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys helped me with my channel. As you all know, like, comment, subscribe. Please don't flag any of my videos. That's just pretty weird because I've never done anything wrong. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.